Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Cristina and I'm the owner of Misbonito, and I've been making jewelry for many years now. Today we're going to learn how to make this beautiful evil eye bracelet. It's very easy to wear and you can combine it with others. So if this is something that you want to learn, keep watching. First we're going to start with the materials we need. We're using Fireline Thread and also Miyuki Delica beads. In this occasion, we're going to be using blue tones, also black and golden Miyuki Delica beads, and our Miyuki needles, and also our scissors. And as always, we start by threading our needle. And in this case, I'm just going to speed up the process and not even show you how we start. Brick stitch. If you want to learn how to do that, I invite you to check my other videos where I show you in detail how to start a Miyuki project using the brick stitch technique. But here we're going to be focusing on a little bit of the design and also the final project itself. Beading is something that has brought many joy to my life. It's fun, it's relaxing, and it allows me to stay home and take care of my mom. It is a great option for those who want to learn a new skill that allows them to stay home and make some money as well. This design is inspired on the evil eye, which many of you wear it for protection and others simply as a fashion accessory. And the reason I decided to make this project using brick stitch and not peyote stitch is because with brick stitch, I make sure that the design is exactly as I planned it. You can see that I'm counting the beads to make sure that the evil eye stays right in the middle where it should be. This bracelet is gonna be finished using Korean cord and it's gonna be adjustable. But again, I'm not gonna show you that on this video. This video is simply to show you a little bit of the process behind this lovely evil eye bracelet. Again, if you want to see how to make the last part of this bracelet, meaning the adjustable cord, you can check this other video where I show you how to make the end of the bracelet with an adjustable cord using Korean cord. And as you can see, brick stitch, it's easier than you think. And all you need to do is pay attention so the design comes exactly as you want it. And with Miyuki beads, especially with Delica beads, you're able to create a lot of different designs and patterns that are gonna look great for either earrings, bracelets, or necklaces, or any other accessory that you may think. And for all of you that would like to buy the final pieces, please remember that all my jewelry is available at our website www.misbonito.com. And here we're just finishing the last row of our bracelet. Stay till the end so you can see the final result. And here's the final result, and I hope you like it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!